Fixing TikTok not letting you send or receive messages is pretty quick and easy. I'll walk you through the steps, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first open up TikTok and tap on your profile at the bottom right and the 3 lines at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy, and then choose Privacy. You can see down here is direct messages. Go there. Make sure allow direct messages is set to everyone, or you can just choose friends if you want to. You also want to make sure if safe mode is turned on to turn that off so that you can receive all those messages. After that, you can just head into your settings, tap on General, iPhone Storage, and then just find the TikTok app and offload this app and reinstall it. If either of these don't work, there could be an issue. There could be an issue with TikTok's age limit. If you're under 16, you can see the minimum age here for TikTok to be able to send and receive messages is 16 years old. So that makes sure that when you signed up for TikTok, you were 16 or older. If you're not, unfortunately, you can't send messages and you're good to go.